welcome back in Portugal in the Not Just Sawdust workshop. You see me sanding, shaping, sawing, some extra of these ribs for an antique garden bench. I had to make a few new ones because they were rotten, and of course that were the ones where you sit on, because they are like in a curve down so the water stays in there. And so, but they're all painted and the steel is painted, and soon I can put it back together, but now it's just waiting for the paint to dry. But that gives me the opportunity to just show me my new tool. And of course this is again a thank you to my Patreons on Patreon. But this was such an opportunity that I thought, well, I'm gonna buy this one. I was at a local shop here, and this was priced for €21.50. Really? So just over 20 euros. And it's a multi-tool. And I've checked it out. It's really great. It has even a dust extraction port on it. It comes with all the saw blades and the sanding part for €21.50. And it was in a carton box, so I thought, well, for that price. I've got another machine from Duro, from the same brand, which is a big hacksaw, and I've already got that for like 5 years and it still works fine. So yeah, the brand is okay, I think. But what I didn't expect is that, you know, inside the carton box there would even be a nice case for it, and it looks really fancy. So yeah, really happy with my new tool, and I already know that I'm gonna use it the coming weeks, because last week, well, 2 weeks ago, I had to change just a little corner of a plinth along the floor. But to cut it, I had to take the whole plinth off and, you know, and put it back. And now with this tool I can just hopefully cut it off exactly where I want it, and I don't have to ruin everything and do everything again. So yeah, really happy with my tool, thanks to my Patreons. Well, let's see whether this paint will dry quick enough so we can finish this video. Just have a coffee and a smoke first. So, after another coat of paint, I think it's ready. A nice antique garden bench on cast iron feet, and all the ribs came in quite good. It still looks like the original, so I'm glad I didn't just take everything, throw it away and put new wood on it, because this has character. This looks good. And the new boards I made are, well, if you don't know it, you don't see them. So that's a good thing. So this was the first video of 2019. So for all you watching, have a good new year and be creative. Do some woodworking, it's a very nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling, use some reclaimed wood, it's an even better way to spend your time. And see you in the next video. Até logo.